Well, it rained this morning, and it's finally dried up at the end of the day. Got maybe an hour of light left, so I think I'm gonna go over here and do some of the ceiling. And you guys can watch if you'd like. Probably look faster on the hyperlapse anyway. It's gonna take a long time. I'm really slow at this, but that's okay. Just gotta do it right, and do it right. Alright, what can I say positive about that experience? It's over. Thank goodness. I don't know if you're really good at using the caulking gun and stuff, but it's kind of my nemesis. But you know, you can see it's sealed, and I'm guessing when it's painted, you won't even see that. Here's hoping. Well, there's one side. Still got the roof. Probably some of the inside, front, back, hitting my foot on the ladder. So yeah, that should be good stuff. See you soon, probably tomorrow. It was a late start today. Alright, back at it this morning. Hasn't rained. Clear skies. I'm putting my hand on these things to try and warm them up. I've got them lined up in the sun as well. It's just really hard to pull when they're so cold. Probably should have pre-thought about that and put them, inside where it's warm. But I didn't. Time to get to work. Alright, while you guys were munching on some snacks, I went ahead and finished up there and all the way down and did the same thing on this side. And yeah, so that's all ready to go. Time to hit another side. Get this knocked out. If you're one of those kids that like to peel the glue off your skin, you thought that was a fun thing to do, this is the job for you. If you're not, like me, this job, it's a little rough. But I got it done. Still getting it done. Gonna go get it done now again. Well, need to go back to the store to pick up a few more tubes of the caulking, seal this stuff up. It's done all on this side. Actually started doing a little bit over here, and so I got like that started over there down to the bottom there. But I ran out, like somewhere around here. So tomorrow, or tonight, depending, I'm going to go ahead and do all of that and that. 1 and 2. And then I also have these seams. I'm going to go ahead and take care of those. So yeah, 3 seams, and then the double all the way across. And then, yeah, be sealed and ready for paint. I'll be painting tomorrow. Yep. Doing that, and so close to this. Hope you're enjoying the video. And we'll be back at it in a little bit. Finish up that painting. We can jump on the roof and hopefully not fall off.